Okay, we're back at it today. Got the glass off right here. The back glass is off also. I still have it just in its place. Today I'm trying to get all the body work done. You can see the damage right here. And there's a couple deep scratches right here that go along the door. There's a high spot right here on this door. Right here. I need to get that knocked down. Gotta fix this damage over here. I already sanded this part and added the layer of Bondo right here. It's coming along real good right here. This is that. And I got a small wave right here. I'll probably pull out the handle, try see if I can knock this out without any filler. Well, if it's fine if I have to put out one thin layer. And that would be on the bodywork. Still waiting on this cut over here. Okay, as you guys can see this right here is the low spot, this is the high spot. So what I'm going to do is just one light layer of filler right here. That should just even it right out. Because right now you can barely feel it. But it's there. Okay, right now I'm about to pull off that handle and see if I can straighten out that dent right underneath the handle. Then I'll move on to this one right here. Okay guys, I got most of it out. Right here. I can just feel something right here. So I'm gonna sand it down, just look at it, make sure. I feel it, so it needs a little filler, like right up here. But most of the dent was right here, it's gone. This is the low spot right here right now. I'm just gonna sand it to make sure. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the other side. Right here on the door. And this lower part of the quarter panel. Okay, I gotta sand it down and everything. While I was sanding, I noticed this was a very small dent and a chip at the same time. Might as well fix that while I'm at it. Okay, I'm gonna add a layer of filler everywhere that I just sanded, right here. The front part of the roof. And that back door. This right here. And the back door right here. And while that's drying, I need to take off the rocker moldings on each side. Because we're going with the SRT ones. Off a Charger. Off the Hellcat that I have back here. This is going to be the next build after that 300, and you can tell how these rockers are more like defined. The 300 ones are more curved in. I'll see if they'll fit. Pretty sure they should be the same, but we'll see. If they don't fit, I'll just have those painted the same thing. and we'll add a ground effect to them. You can see how these are just curved in right there. The Charger ones are like extended out, then they curve in. Alright, let me put that filler on. We'll go from there. Okay, I laid everything nice and flat. Waiting for all that to dry. This right here. This already dried. I could feel something right here. It's low, so I'm pretty sure I gotta do like a couple more layers on this because this was the main damage over here. So while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'll take out these rocker moldings, like I said, and start sanding that side. Okay, I just finished sanding it. As you guys can see right here, this is the low spots. Yeah, a low spot here, a low spot here, here, and this right here, and right there. And this was a high spot, and right here and here. I already knocked those down. Now they're kind of low or even. So I need to do one more layer. I'll just do one light layer all over it and sand it again. I got the antenna removed because it was getting in the way when I was sanding. So I'll set you guys up and I'll do one more light layer. Okay, so while that's drying, I'll start sanding this side and the other back door on the other side. And this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna spare you guys all this sanding and everything. I'll get back with you when everything's almost done. I'm gonna finish sanding everything up. So the first part is sanding with the machine, get it nice and flat, close to the shape you want it, and at the end, block sand it, get it nice like and flat. That one still needs a little bit more block sanding. The other door turned out pretty good. So I'll get back with you guys when everything's close to done. Okay guys, I'm back. I got everything nice and smooth. Sanded it with the 320. Worked out real good. Everything's nice and flat. Right here. That's one thing that I found out. After I finished this door, my brother told me we have another door in the back. So I might as well just go with the new door that we got. This is nice and smooth too, but just for the less filler and everything, I'm just gonna go with the new one. So I wasted all this time just fixing this door right here and I didn't need to. So I'm gonna have to line up the new door, make sure it fits right with this dog leg right here. Pretty sure it will. And that would be it. I'm gonna show you guys a trick, how you can see if the body filler is nice and flat and even. So what you guys use is wax and grease remover, and you spray it on here, and it looks like a clear coat. And you can see it like in the reflection. If you get a light, like on this side right here, you can see it'll be nice and flat. Same thing with the roof. Like you guys can see with that light up there, it's nice and flat. You gotta go heavy with it. Right here too. Okay, I'm just gonna get it cleaned up now. All this dust and everything inside here. I'm gonna wipe it down from top to bottom and get it ready for prep. I'm gonna prep it for paint after I line up these doors. This one right here and the new door that came in for the driver's side. I just wanna make sure everything is test fit before I do anything else. Okay guys, before I take off the door, I'm gonna take off the door panel, but I forgot to mention that I put the SRT side skirt right here, the rocker molding. It looks pretty good on it. I'll see how it looks after I get painted. Well, let's get started at the door panel. Okay, that's it on the door panel. There's 3 Phillips screws. One on the door handle, one on the where you hold it, and one right here on the edge right here. And that's all it's holding, a couple clips on the bottom. Okay, that's on the door. There's only these 4 13mm right here. And that slides right out. Now we're gonna get the new door and hook it up. Okay, I got the door lining up real good. The close is nice and soft. Top to bottom, nice, good gap. Let me explain what I did. So I just loosened up these 3. I got 1 and then 2 down here, that one and this one. And I left this one like semi-tight. I just like a quarter turn loose so we could like move the door up and down, but I held it in its spot so it stayed at this height. Because the only problem I had, it was a little tight right there because it was a little too high. So as soon as I dropped it, nice even gap. Now let's go change that back door. Okay, we got some more bad news. There's a couple dents over here, all along this edge. It's hard to see because it's black, but there's one right there. Another up here. We got that edge that's creased over here. So I'm gonna forget about this door. I'm just gonna go back to this one. Already got it at 100%. I know it's gonna be nice and flat. Already lines up with that door, and I didn't have any problems with it. I just thought I was gonna have like a cleaner part if I go with this one. Well, it's the same thing. Also, this one's gonna be full of Bondo and filler and everything. So might as well go with the original one that was on it. Okay, now I'm just gonna have it cleaned up. Start with the roof and head down and inside too. Get this off right here. Just a couple of clips left.